Where does the name for Moel Pentre-Wern come from? So today I'm in Conwy County, just outside Llangernyw, and this hill behind me is called Moel Pentre-Wern. Let's get to the name. Let's break the name down into its three parts. First we have Moel, which originally meant bald, but came to mean a hill that's taller than a bryn, but not as high as a mountain. They often have no trees on top, hence the name Moel. Then we have Pentre, which means a village or a hamlet, itself made from pen, meaning top, and tref, meaning town. And then we have Wern. Wern is the soft mutated form of gwern, literally alder trees, but also meaning a swamp or a quagmire, which is one of the preferred locations for alder trees to grow. The hill name appears to have come from the name of a farm at its base, Pentre-Wern, which is located near wetland by the river. And in 1943, an Avro Lancaster crashed into the hillside. The plane was built by Avro in Manchester in 1942 and was part of 207 Squadron. On the 6th of July 1943, during training in a period of particularly bad visibility, it flew into the west side of the hill. All 6 men were lost, including its pilot, William Williams, who was only 21. He was buried in Begaildy in Powys. So the name literally means the hill of the village of the swamp, or the hill of the village of the alder trees. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.